Your spiritual path is unique to you. There is no right or wrong time frame or timeline. It's unique to you. So stop comparing yourself to others and let's talk about how you may be putting a little too much pressure on yourself and how you can enjoy the journey. A spiritual path is going to lead you to a closer relationship with God or divinity, however you like to refer to them, Allah, the great creator. And that path should be growing and evolving your entire life. But don't beat yourself up if you got off track or you spent the last 50 years completely absorbed in human busyness and not focusing at all on your spiritual journey. That was your path. I like to share with others that my path kept me asleep the better part of 60 years. So I don't think anybody listening to this is too old to be just starting their journey. I was not meant to really connect and wake up spiritually until around the age of 60. That was my path. And there's a reason for that. We don't need to get into, but not everyone is supposed to grow up with this strong knowing. Most of us were brought up with understandings that maybe didn't resonate, but you might feel guilty with questioning them. And it takes time to work through that and to find what does resonate and come to a different understanding or knowing. Your spiritual journey is up to you. It's unique to you. And the only thing you need to do is become intentional about seeking a connection with our greater power. It's in you. Each and every one of us has divinity within that's just waiting for us to tap into it, to be guided and live our most fulfilled life. So stick around. Be sure to hit subscribe because I have a lot more tips to help you along your spiritual path. And enjoy the journey.